Victoria Principal is a famous American actress and best-selling author who is famous for her role in the television series Dallas. The show ran for 9 straight years and her acting career spanned for more than 30 years. She appeared in various famous movies like The Naked Pie and Earthquake, which acquired quite a lot of fame and popularity. She also worked as a producer in the industry and was successful in the field too. Early life and biography. Victoria Principal was born on 3 January 1950 in the beautiful town of Fukuoka, Japan, to her father, Victor Rocco Principal, who was a sergeant in the United States Air Force, and her mother, Ree Principal, who was a homemaker, who was an English descent. Her paternal grandparents belonged from Italy. She had one younger sister, Kim, with whom she spent her childhood various countries like Japan, America, and Puerto Rico. They changed more than 17 schools in her lifetime. She attended the famous school named Royal Ballet School in London, from where she completed her schooling. She later took admission in South Dade School in Florida. She graduated from Miami-Dade Community College. She collided with a serious accident when she was in the second year of her college. Her recovery took quite a lot of time and later decided to opt for her career as an actress. Personal life. Victoria met Christopher Skinner in 1978, won the sets of Dallas, and got married 4 years later. After 2 years, they got a divorce due to some personal reasons. Victoria met Andy Gibb in 1981, who was a famous singer and songwriter who worked in the John Davidson Show and later got into a relationship which lasted for only a year. She got married for the second time to Dr. Harry Glassman, who was a plastic surgeon. Their marriage took place in 1985, and after 20 long years in 2006, they got divorced. Age, height and weight. Being born on 3 January 1950, Victoria Principal is 71 years old. As of today's date, 19th November 2021. Her height is 1.68 meter tall and her weight is 68 kg. Career. Victoria started her career when she was only 5 years old and got featured in several commercial advertisements. Her first movie as an actress was The Life and Times of Judge Boy Bean, which released in 1972. She got a Golden Globe nomination for Most Promising Newcomer for her portrayal of Mary Ellen, who was a Mexican mistress. Award and achievement. Victoria Principal has worked in many successful movie projects and commercial films, which rose her fame. Some of her acquired awards are as follows: Golden Globe nominee for Best Performance by an Actress in a Television Series, The Last 1983. Golden Globe nominee for Best Promising Newcomer Female, The Life and Times of Judge Rai Bean, 1973. Bravo Auto Grammy winner for Best Female TV Star, 1983. Nominee for Soar Apple Award, 1982. Net worth and salary of Victoria Principal in 2021. Victoria Principal has worked in various movies and commercial films which rose her to fame. Her incredible performance in The Last won her many awards and nominations. Her total net worth is estimated to be around $380 million as of November 2021. Most of her income comes from the movies she acted in and also from the book she published, which were among the best-selling list. Victoria Principal is one of the best actresses of her time when she featured in various successful movies and series like The Last, which made her achieve a lot of awards and respect throughout the industry. She is also a health and skin addict who released a 4 best-selling books of the same genre.